Yo, what's going on, fellas? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make $254,000 yesterday on Nasdaq during the New York session. Overall for the week, I think it was this week and last week, of course, we up around 992,000. And last month and this month altogether $2.5 million, which is nearly 50%, a little bit less than that, 38 or something. I'm not 100% sure, but nearly 40% or something in 1 month. That was crazy. That was really crazy, guys. So before I hop on the charts, guys, I just want to let you know I'm going to drop a giveaway on this video. So if we can smash like 1,000 likes on this video, I'm going to give away 1 slot for the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership in the inner circle of our team. Or if the winner that I'm picking is already inside, I'm going to give him a $10,000 FTMO challenge. So guys, make sure to smash that like button on that video, and I'm going to drop another giveaway for you maybe next Sunday, depends on how long you need until we reach the 1,000 likes. And yeah, guys, I updated the course, so make sure to check it out. Chapter 15 and 16, I uploaded the $25,000 FTMO challenge where you can see me trade live. All the trades that I took to pass the challenge in 6 days, 12 trades overall, and then the evaluation with only 2 trades this time. This challenge was pretty quick, pretty easy to pass. $10,000 evaluation and challenge was a little bit tougher. Took me 1 day more for the challenge, and I took way more trades. I was more aggressive on that one. This time I really waited for more confirmation. Had overall a better quality with in terms of the trading decisions. And yeah, the evaluation took me like 5 days with 17 trades on $10,000 FTMO challenge. And yeah, the 25k challenge was pretty quick, guys. You need to check it out, see all the trades that I took. Write a little description to the trades as well, so you can see why I decided to take the entries, and you can see exactly how I manage these trades. Yeah, this is valuable information, guys. Check it out. So yesterday, guys, I shared a Nasdaq trade with all my students from the masterclass course, and it was amazing. It was an amazing trade, guys. Overall, we had some liquidity sitting down below yesterday's low, right? Then we had another low in here, another low in here, and as you can see, when we slashed through this low over here, this was the next significant low, I would say. After we slashed through this one, we had a beautiful break of structure to the upside, and on the pullback I decided to get in. My target overall was this beautiful, perfect, equal highs in here. I was pretty sure that the market will go above. The only problem that I had was that I was loading it up, moved my stop, and I got stopped out by 4 points, guys. So let me get into the smaller time frame and show you exactly what was happening in here. So check this out. As you can see, market was coming down, boom, and then we had like a nice break of structure with momentum, as you can see. So I was like, okay, we want to turn the market around now, and we're probably going to take the buy side liquidity. So I decided to take a trade in here. So I got in here, got the better entry in here. So I took 2 positions in here, and then the market was going for another push. So I decided to load it up again, and then I moved all my stops to 11,375, something like that. So I moved all my stops in here, had another position in the market, and then of course this was the the last structure high that was more significance, where the market could probably turn around. So I decided to take like 80% off the table in here on these candles in here. So I closed, yeah, the biggest portion of my position in here, and then on the pullback I decided to get in again in here. So I decided to step into the game in here. Then I moved my stop to like 11,400, I think it was 442, something like that. And just look at that, man. The market was coming down to 11,437.8 and I got stopped out. It was so close, guys. Man, losing a trade like that is a big runner, man. This really sucks. But I was lucky enough to just close the chart after I got stopped out. I just closed the chart, didn't watch it, and I saw it in the evening time when I came back to the chart, and I was like, what the fuck? I missed out on like another 300 grand easy, man. I was a little bit annoyed, but you cannot attach your emotions to trading, guys. This shit happens. Next time I'm going to think about maybe letting my stop at the break even from my initial first position. There wasn't enough space, I mean, and I already banked like more than 250 grand, so I was able to risk maybe on that loading it up position, to risk maybe another 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 without giving back too much to the market. I would, even if this stop would have got hit, I would still be big in profit for the day. But yeah, I missed out on the huge run, which is unfortunate, not so nice, but yeah, it is how it is. I know that some of my students have ride this thing out and some of them are still inside right now. Let's see what we got for this day, guys. New York session just started like 30 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, and yeah, in the next 40 minutes the algorithms will start to kick in, volume will going up, and I'm gonna see what the market is about to do next. Maybe we're gonna find another beautiful entry today. For now the market is pretty much ranging all day. I'm waiting for the market to slash through and grab some liquidity, and then I want to see a reversal as I always do. So let's see if we got something for today, and yeah, make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget the giveaway, guys, and join my free Telegram channel as well. You'll find the link down below in the description. This is where I keep you updated about my giveaways, about my results, about student results, and where I show you some of my trading ideas as well, and all that stuff. So make sure to check it out. Check the links down below in the description, and if you need my personal advice, guys, drop me a private message in Telegram. This is the only way to reach out to me. Don't fall for any traps in the comment section. There are some people who try to get you into WhatsApp, and this is not me, okay? So be careful. Just use the links down below in the description, and yeah, that's it, man. Wish you a profitable rest of the week, and see you in the next video, guys. Stay healthy. Peace out.